What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting new video for you. I just received my Thrive Market package and I'm so excited because I noticed they have a lot of good things going on and really good perks right now, like cash back and like free shipping for orders over 50. And also like what I love about them, by the way you guys, this is nothing like sponsored or anything. I bought this with my own money and I just love this company because I actually known about them for a while, but then with not trying to like go out in public, I finally jumped into it. But I was like, oh my gosh, why didn't I do this sooner? Because what I love most about them is basically, you know, you get access to organic, non-GMO foods at wholesale price. So I was like, what? Now, you hear what I said? This is like these specialty items that organic people really love. I really love this company because they also give access to poor communities to have access to organic food. So I love that, I'm all about that. And their packaging is made from recycled items and they just have a lot of good things going on. When you get their membership, they give a membership away to a family in need. So yeah, I really love them. So let's go ahead and jump right into this because I am so excited to see what I ordered. They have a lot of things going on. Oh my God. Okay, so this is great. This is gonna be a great video, I can tell, because I got some glass items. So you guys get to see exactly how they package these things. So you're not gonna like, you know, lose your money. You know, nothing's gonna break on you. So when you first open it up, oh my God, I love it. So there's a saying here on the box: our community is committed to making healthy living easy and affordable for every family. I'm so excited. So they wrapped all the glass in this really cool, probably, what is this? This is like really unique packaging. I have no idea what this is made from, but it's like stretchy. Oh my gosh, like what is this? I'm just so excited and I can tell this can be reusable. So I'm gonna reuse this for gifts, like Christmas gifts. You can make this, you can make a dress out of this. This is cute. So I got this energy drink. It's the Organic Amazon Energy Antioxidant Rich Energy Drink. This is acai berry. Ooh. Yeah, so I decided to try this and I got 4 of them. So that's what this is. So this is so cool. They did not have to worry about these cans breaking or none of that because I don't think that's gonna happen. So yeah, I got 4 of these. Let's see what else I got. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Got organic amino sauce. So I love me some sushi sometimes and I stay away from soy sauce because it's just terrible. It is extremely high in sodium and it has soy. And this, you guys, is a great alternative. This is the organic coconut amino sauce. So it has 70% less sodium than soy sauce and contains no soy. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. This is seasoning. It can be used for sushi, salads, sauces, soups. Oh, this is so cute. This is organic cotton little Q-tips. I also got this Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Hand Sanitizer. I wanted lavender, but they only had peppermint. And I love this little like spray hand sanitizer because it's easy and it's natural. I also got a new bulb for my Himalayan salt lamp. I was in need. Oh, these are really tiny. Oh my gosh, there's 4 in here and this is so tiny. Look at this. I really hope this fits exactly. This is small as hell. Like, I'm concerned. I really hope. Okay, I'm gonna go try this on my lamp and I'm praying this works, but I think it will be fine. But yeah, I haven't, my light went out and I haven't been able to use it anymore. So now I'm excited to start using my lamp again. And I also got this 32-ounce Bath and Body Wash. This is like anti-stress, Kiss My Face brand. And yeah, I'm so excited for this. We needed a new body wash, so I made sure to get that. I also got, oh my God, you guys, I did not expect this to be this small. This is dishcloth, but I thought it was like, you know, like more like a hand towel type of kitchen thing, but it's okay. So I got some dishcloths here. I also got, I also got kids Superfood. I want to try this. This is like chocolate flavored, but yeah, I want to try this for little AJ. This is daily nutrition shake, greens, fruits, and veggies for healthy kids. It has wheatgrass, barley grass, spinach, broccoli, kiwi, kale. Yeah, so it's basically filled with lots of veggies and healthy fruits and vitamins. Really good for him. Like, you know how kids are, like, he's really not bad with eating vegetables, but I just want to like make sure he's getting everything, all his vitamins and everything. So make sure to get that. And I also got him little wipes. What is this? So I also got Thrive brand wipes. Yeah, so this is chlorine free, fragrance free, paraben free, non-toxic. So yeah, there's like 80 wipes in here, so we'll see how we like it. I also got this summer berries. This is like some like granola with dry strawberries, great for like yogurt or to mix in with your cereal or oatmeal. I actually like mixing this in my oatmeal. So I got that, and I also got this to try, Cacao Banana Crunch Superfood cereal. I did not expect it to be this small, but it's okay, will do. And it's supposed to be vegan, non-GMO, organic. You just add either hot water or milk. Oh, and it comes with a spoon, so really travel-friendly product. I also picked up some pasta. I love having pasta, lots of dry food. Like I told you guys, I would show you. So here they have like some dividers. As you can see, like here I got some chips. So you don't have to like worry about nothing breaking or anything like that, because looks like they packed it pretty well in here. So here I have grain-free tortilla chips and sea salt, non-GMO, made with avocado oil. I love avocado oil, love me some avocado oil. Yeah, so I got this for us to try. And then I also got some coconut chips, roasted. So I don't know, I have a really good feeling about this, and it's from the Thrive brand. So is there a recipe? Oh, okay, you can sprinkle over yogurt, add to trail mix, or top a smoothie. Okay, I'm excited to try this. I'll let you guys know. Make sure you're following me on the Instagram so you guys can get some updates on this stuff. I also got myself some chickpea pasta. I like this brand. They actually have this brand at Walmart too, but yeah, I like this brand, and I love me some chickpea pasta. You guys, if you're looking for really, really good, like healthy carbs, definitely go for chickpea pasta, because it is filled with fiber, iron, and lots of protein. So it's really good if you're working out and you want to build muscle. This is really good for that. All right, what do we have here? Grain-free taco shells. This is non-GMO grain-free taco shells. There's 12 tacos in here. I love me some tacos. Comment below if you guys love tacos and what type of tacos you like. Ooh, okay, so I got some organic brown rice cakes. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. These are the options that you can make. Ooh, these are all the, hopefully they have some recipes, but these are like thin crackers, and I love to top it with like avocado or almond butter. So sometimes I'll just give it to AJ plain, and he really likes it. So yeah, I made sure to get 2 of them. Rice cakes, brown rice cakes. Yeah, so yeah, he really likes this, and I wanted to try, make sure I'm trying organic and not that quicker oat stuff. Okay, you guys, sorry to shame on a brand, but the quicker oat stuff is actually owned by Pepsi, and it is GMO, it's not organic, and it's sprayed with pesticides, so I don't want that stuff, okay? We want the good stuff. Ooh! I just got my coffee delivered today and I'm so excited because I like this in my coffee. This is good for baking too, but this is organic coconut sugar from the Thrive brand. Unrefined, ethically sourced. Always make sure your coconut products are ethically sourced, all right? That's important to me. You know, I don't want them cracking people's heads, and I don't know, I heard people get really hurt in that industry, and I don't want that. So let's see what else they wrapped up in this stuff, because I'm liking, at first I like this thing, but I'm kind of getting annoyed, and it's like kind of like dusty and stuff. Oh my God! Finally, I have some tomato sauce, and I'm so happy that it was delivered safely. And yeah, I'm so excited to finally make me some pasta. Ooh, I wish, honestly, I would have gotten more, but they were only allowing one per family. So I was kind of disappointed, but it's okay. It's okay, that would probably go in my next order. But this is organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, paleo, no sugar added or sweeteners. That's a plus, I love it. Let's see what else we got. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I wanted to start adding these. So here I have Thrive Market organic coconut milk, and it's also ethically sourced. But yeah, I really wanted to get these like canned coconut milk to add in my my smoothies or my shakes to add more calories, you know, for that that booty gain. All right, so yeah, I'm so excited. So this is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram. So I'm gonna be sharing like little details of how I'm gonna be using this stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell notifications so you guys are notified when I upload more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.